We move our mouth when we chew food. We move our arm at the shoulder while doing some work. We bend our arm at the elbow while putting food into our mouth. We bend the fingers of our hand to grip an object. And we move our legs while running. These are just some of the examples of our body movements. When we move our body parts like mouth, head, arms, hands and fingers, etc., then our body may remain the same place. But when we walk by using legs, then we move our whole body from one place to another. The animals also doing so in search of food and shelter. Human beings show two types of body movements. One, movements of our body parts, and movements of the whole body from one place to another, which is called locomotion. In order to understand how the movement of our body parts and locomotion take place, we should first study the bones present in our body, the various types of joints and the muscles which make the bones move at joints. We will now discuss all these things one by one. The bony framework inside our body is called skeleton. In human beings, the skeleton is inside the body, so it is called an endoskeleton. Skeleton is called kankal in Hindi. The bones of skeleton provide a framework which holds our body together. The skeleton also gives a shape of our body. The skeleton is made of bones of many different shapes and sizes. There are 206 bones in the human skeleton. Our skeleton has movable joints between various bones which allows the muscles to move the head, shoulders, arms, legs and other parts of body. The skeleton consists of skull, backbone, ribs, shoulder bones, hip bone, arm bones and leg bones. Skeleton holds the whole body together and gives it a shape. Skeleton protects many delicate internal organs of the body such as brain, heart, lungs, liver and spinal cord from outside damage. Skeleton provides numerous points for the attachment of muscles of the body. Along with muscles, skeleton helps in movement of body parts and locomotion. The bony part of our head is called skull. It is called khopri or kapal in Hindi. The skull is made up of 22 bony plates joined together. Our brain is inside the skull in upper part. Skull protects the brain. The skull also protects the main sense organ like eyes, ears and nose. The backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure running from the neck to the hips inside our body. The scientific name of backbone is vertebral column. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones placed one over the other. The small bones which make up the backbone are called vertebra. Between the various vertebrae of backbone, there are discs of cartilage or soft bones. Ribs are the curved bones in our chest. There are 12 pairs of ribs in the chest of our body. There is also a small bone called breastbone in the chest region in front of our body. One end of all the ribs is joined to the backbone and their other end is joined to the breastbone. The hollow, bony structure formed by the ribs is called rib cage. Shoulders are that part of our body or skeleton to which our arms are attached. There are two shoulder bones, collarbone and shoulder blade. Collarbone keeps the shoulders apart. The upper arms fits into the socket of shoulder blade, forming ball and socket joint. The hip bone forms a large basin-shaped frame at the lower end of the backbone, to which the legs are attached. The hip bone is also known as the pelvic bone. The hip bone encloses the portion of our body below the stomach. The thigh bones of our legs are joined to the hip bone by the ball and socket joint. Our hand is made up of three parts: wrist, palm and fingers. The wrist consists of 8 small bones known as carpals. The palm of hand is composed of 5 longer bones called metacarpals. The fingers are made up of jointed bones called phalanx. There are 3 bones in each finger, but the thumb has only 2 bones.